morning, everyone. Well, almost good afternoon. It is 11:35. It is Thursday. Today's Thursday. I went to the gym this morning and I am back. I got ready, took a shower, and I'm gonna make me some lunch. I skipped out on breakfast this morning. I usually skip out on breakfast when I'm working out. I was working out like 5 days a week, but I decided to just do Monday, Wednesday, Friday because my sore days were every day, so I need to have some relaxing days until my body can adjust to how hard I've been working out. I've stepped it up a few notches, and so I do not play when I go to the gym. My butt is so sore right now, everyone. TMI, I'm doing my push classes. You guys know all that, but my push classes knock me out. But anyways, I'm making lunch right now. I'm just making some leftover tacos. I'm gonna add some of this queso shredded cheese, and then these are the tortillas I'm using. My mom made these growing up, and so I just make them. They're the yellow corn tortillas, and then I just put this on the taco just so it's not so dry. Usually I'll use like sour cream or something. I don't think we have sour cream, but I love taco sauce. But I'm gonna make this, and afterwards I have something really exciting to share with you guys. I got my Cupshe order in. So many cute swimsuits, and they have a little mommy and me collection, and it's adorable. They are sponsoring this video, so stay tuned for that. But first I'm gonna cook this, and then I will show you guys all of the clothes. So here are meat tacos. Not the healthiest, but just trying to eat up the leftovers in the house. This is like day 3 of this meat. Austin cooked it and didn't even eat it. He said he didn't really like it, but I actually don't mind it. The sauce, that taco sauce, makes it a lot better. But I'm gonna eat this and fuel me up so that I can share these beautiful swimsuits with you guys. And I'm excited. Cheers. Okay, I am going to share, I literally cannot move, everyone. I cannot move. I'm gonna share my Cupshe haul. There's so many goodies in here. Like, I got a lot of stuff. So I am first gonna share the baby bathing suits. They have a whole mommy and me collection. Unfortunately, I cannot share them on because they are a little bit bigger for Gray. I think they're a 2T. They are a little bit big, but I wanted to get them anyways because I know she's gonna wear these. How cute is this? It's just a little yellow one piece, and it is so cute. The material is stretchy and thick. I love this so much. If you're looking for really cute mommy and me bathing suits, check out Cupshe because they have so many cute ones. So this is one that I got for her. I think I got her 2 more. Yeah, I got her 2 more. This one is adorable. This has little lemons on it. How cute is this? This is the little lemon one. It's so cute. So there's that one, and then this one is also so very cute. This has little oranges on it. These are adorable. So check out their baby swimsuits because they're all so cute. And they also have really cute towels on their website. I got this little towel, and if you guys know, I just love all of these colors, so I thought that was perfect. And it's not scratchy, it's very soft, so I love that. I always, anytime I'm going to like a resort, anytime where water is involved, especially now with the baby, I always make sure to pack a cozy towel because sometimes hotel towels are very rough. Before I show the bathing suits, which, ooh, that one would be so cute for the 4th of July. I guess I'll just show you this one. So there's this one. I'm probably gonna wear this for the 4th of July. Here we go. So this is a high-waisted bathing suit. I love how high-waisted this is. I haven't tried any of these on, so we'll actually see how high-waisted it is. So there's that, and then the top is just kind of like this. I love tops like this that kind of cover the front area like this. Just because I feel like my chest has definitely taken a downfall ever since I had Gray, And I am going to get a boob job when we decide if we want another baby, because right now, me and Austin, right now we don't want another baby, but I do, just not now. I think we're gonna wait a few more years, which wasn't ideal, but I want to have another baby when Gray is a little bit older, maybe like 5. It has a lot of excess skin, so when I was breastfeeding, I went from an A to a double D, and so when I lost all of my milk, there was no room to fill anything, and so my chest has a lot of excess skin, and it's just not pretty. It's not pretty at all, and I'm very, very, very self-conscious about my chest. Austin is like, do whatever makes you happy, like, you're beautiful either way. Where was I even going with that? Why did I even say that? Oh yeah, but I feel like with how my chest is shaped, these tops are the most flattering on me, and I've just come to realize that. I have 100% made up my mind that this is my 4th of July bathing suit, and probably for years to come. I don't have a set 4th of July bathing suit, and I feel like everyone has a set one. This is my set one. This is so cute. This whole thing. I absolutely love how high-waisted these are. They're a little bit more high-waisted than your average high waist. I feel like I'm ready to do gymnastics. Like, can't lift my legs up that high, but I'm ready, everyone. And also, if you guys are a fan of the under boob, you can definitely do that too. I know some people love doing that. I don't do that a lot, but this is how I normally wear them. I'm gonna share some of these cover-ups because this one is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I usually wear just like white see-through cover-ups, but this is so beautiful. It's kind of more like a dress, and you could totally wear this just as a dress too. But this is a swimsuit cover-up, and it's so cute. This little leopard print. You guys know how I am about my leopard prints, so I definitely wanted to pick this up because it's adorable. And this is another cover-up. This one's, if you guys are more into like bohemian style, boho style, you guys would love this. Look how beautiful this is. Usually I don't do colors like this, but I was like, this is beautiful. I have to use this. This would be so cute on like a pool day or a beach day or something. And then I'll show you this bathing suit. This is one of my favorites. I love the like pink on it right here. So hopefully this complements my body. But I saw this on their site and I was like, it's more like a nude kind of pink, but it's totally me. And then the bottoms, I love these bottoms. I love when they, you know, cover, but they have like the thin straps right here. Here is the white one. This one is also very cute. I was nervous about the top, but it actually is holding really, really nicely. So I do really like this. And this bathing suit, I saw it on their site and I was like, it's very different for me to buy. But it is honestly, it might be one of my favorites when I try it on because the style of it is so different, but it's so cute. It's more of like a t-shirt top. Look how cute this is. That is adorable. Okay, I told y'all that when I tried this on, I knew I was going to love it. It's so different, and I love that about it. This is so stunning. Ooh, I'm ready to party. This is so adorable. This one is definitely a win. This is so stinking cute. This one is also very cute. Tie-dye, if you guys love the tie-dye trend going around. Just looks like that. It crosses in the back. This is also very beautiful, and then the bottoms are tie-dye as well. This is also really cute, and I love how the bottoms, you know, cover, and so you're not just like overexposed a little bit. So, and the back also crosses really nicely in the back. When they sent this to me, I was like, wow, I literally just bought this bathing suit. If you guys saw my Instagram little bathing suit thing that I posted, this bathing suit was in it. I just love the tones of it. It's so beautiful. And just for the sake of it, I just went ahead and put this on. I know you guys already know what this looks like because I've already worn this to the beach. I already have this one. Super cute. So I'm not going to wear it too long because I am going to give this to one of my friends, but Yep, so cute. I think you guys would really love this, and it's so cozy. I believe everything is pretty reasonably priced. Everything is under $25 depending on, you know, what you get, but their range is very affordable. So if you guys want to check them out, check them out. And each piece has a different material to them to complement anyone's body shape. They go from extra small to 4X, which is amazing. I love that they offer that. Yeah, everything's just so vibrant and fun. And I love Cupshe. Okay, this bathing suit, I'm gonna share my absolute favorite one for last, which is after this one. This one's also really cute. It's different from anything I would normally get, but it has like a little hint of leopard right there. And then the bottoms, I have a feeling I'm really gonna love this one. The bottoms just look like this. Look how cute. That is just adorable. I love this blue color. I knew I would be obsessed with this one. These are all getting me, you guys. They're all just getting me. This is adorable. This is what this one looks like. How cute is this? And the little leopard surprises on them. This is adorable. I just posted a little, let me see you walk, 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 A. Oh, yeah. This bathing suit is bad news because this is gonna get me in trouble. Okay, I'm gonna share my favorite one with you guys because this is me in a bathing suit, okay? Minus this me in a bathing suit. This is adorable. This is what this one looks like. Whoa, this is just like a yellow, white, striped bathing suit. And again, the style top that I love. This bathing suit is freaking adorable. I'm gonna try this on right now because I have to try it on. It's so cute. So here is the yellow one. This is adorable. Love this one so much. That was my little Cupshe video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am about to edit this video that I just filmed and send it in. I am knocking stuff out today. Don't forget to check out Cupshe down below. If I have a code, I will leave it as well in the description box. So definitely check that out. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.